Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic printers. Introduction. Printers are devices used to produce physical copies of digital documents or images on paper or other printable materials. Types of printers. Number one, Inject Printers. These printers use small nozzles to spray ink onto paper. They are popular for home and office use and are capable of producing high quality color prints. For example, Epson EcoTank ET-3760. This Inject printer is known for its high quality color printing and is suitable for both home and office use. It uses a refillable ink tank system which can reduce long-term printing costs. Number two, laser printers. Laser printers use a laser beam to create an electrostatic image on a drum, which attracts toner dry ink and transfers it onto paper. They are known for their fast printing speeds and are often used in offices. For example, HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28 1FTW. This laser printer is a multifunction printer MFP that offers fast printing, scanning, copying, and faxing capabilities. It's designed for small office use and provides wireless connectivity options. Number three, dot matrix printers. Dot matrix printers, these older style printers use teeny pins to strike an inked ribbon, transferring characters onto paper by impact. They are less common today but are still used in some specialized applications like printing receipts or invoices. For example, Epson LX350. The Epson LX350 is a compact dot matrix printer often used for printing invoices and other multi-port forms. It's known for its durability and reliability in industrial and business settings. Number four, thermal printers. These printers use heat to transfer ink onto paper. They are commonly found in receipts printers and portable printers. For example, Epson T888V. This thermal receipts printer is commonly used in retail and hospitality industries. It prints high quality receipts quickly and reliably, making it suitable for point of sale applications. Number 5, 3D printers. 3D printers create three-dimensional objects by adding material layer by layer. They are used in various fields including manufacturing, prototyping, and even in some medical applications. For example, Creality Under 3. The Creality Under 3 is a popular 3D printer for hobbyists and makers. It can create three-dimensional objects by melting and extruding plastic filament layer by layer. Number 6, dye sublimation printers. Dye sublimation printers use heat to transfer dye onto paper or other materials, creating high quality photo prints. They are often used for printing photographs. For example, Canon Selfie CP1300. This impact photo printers uses dye sublimation technology to produce high quality photo prints. It's portable and can connect to mobile devices for on the go printing. Number 7, large format printers. Large format printers are designed for printing oversized documents or graphics such as posters, banners, and architectural plans. For example, Aspen Shore Color P800. This large format printer is capable of producing high resolution prints up to 17-inch wide. It's commonly used by photographers and artists for fine art printing. Number 8, multifunction printers, MFPs. Multifunction printers, also known as all-in-one printers. MFPs combine the functionality of a printer with other features like scanning, copying, and faxing in a single device. For example, Brother MFC L2750DW. This all-in-one laser printer combines printing, scanning, copying, and faxing in a single device. It's suitable for small office environments and offers wireless connectivity. Number 9, network printers. Network printers, these printers are connected to a network and can be accessed by multiple users. Over the network, they are commonly used in office environments. For example, Xerox Work Center 6515 DNI. This network ready color laser printer is designed for office use. It can be shared multiple users over a network and offers features like mobile printing. Number 10, wireless printers. Wireless printers, these printers connect to computers and mobile devices wirelessly, allowing for convenient printing from various devices without the need for physical connections. For example, Canon Pixma MG3620. This wireless inject printer allows you to print documents and photos from your computer, smartphones, or tablet without the need for a physical connection. Number 11, photo printers. Photo printers, these specialized printers are designed to produce high quality photo prints and are often used by photographers and enthusiasts. For example, Canon Image Prograph Pro 1000. This professional photo printers is designed for photographers and artists who require high quality and large format photo prints. Best printers for professionals. HP OfficeJet Pro 9015 is a versatile all-in-one printer that produce high quality prints. Brother HL LA360 CDW is a reliable color laser printer with fast printing speeds. Canon Image Prograph Pro 1000 is the top of the line professional printers that produce gallery quality prints. Best computers for printing. When it comes to printing, you need a computer with enough processing power and RAM to handle large files. Look for models with USB 3.0 and Wi-Fi connectivity and consider all-in-one options for added convenience. Thank you for considering my presentation topic printing. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.